За сайн бацхан хүмүүсээ өнөөдөр би сайн найз Хасантай байна. Бид хоёр өнөөдөр гоё Монгол царайлаг залуучууд тэ Хасанд харуулад тэгээд аль нь Хасанд таалагдахыг ингээд сонгож авч үлдээд тэгээд олон залуучуудыг харуулна. Тэгээд сүүлд нь аль залуу үлдсэнийг ингээд та нар харна. Тэгээд одоо үзье. So this is the first one. His name is Chingun.
He's cute.
Yeah, so he's a backup dancer. And actually, he was a backup dancer to like K-pop idols.
J Park.
J Park.
Also,
He's friends with the Single Inferno like contestants too. He lives in Korea. He's a professional dancer, and this is the first guy. If you not know, so okay. His name is Dami. He's really tall.
He looks like a Korean actor that I know.
Thinking of Woobin.
No.
Okay, that's a
No.
Okay, so yeah, between these two, I have to explain. So this guy, he's like an influencer now. You know, he takes a lot of pictures of himself.
he's a vlogger and
Vlogger,
model.
yeah, YouTuber, everything. You know,
Yeah.
and he's really tall. You can choose between these two. I think somehow.
This one. The first guy.
So yeah,
Chingun.
Chingun.
Yeah.
Okay, he's the winner.
Yeah.
All right, дараагийн хүн төлөө орцгой. His name is Angoch. He's very popular in Mongolia. He's basically like a model. He got some money and a very stylish guy. He does boxing.
Chingun.
Chingun, right?
Hmm.
Chingun.
Why Chingun?
Because he has more of like the mature, handsome look. I think the
mature,
boxer guy looks very strong, but I would want him as a friend. Yeah.
Okay. So, дараагийн хүн болохоор the next guy,
You do
Shinzo.
music?
Shinzo.
Yeah, no, he doesn't do music. So he was basically in a Mongolian Singles Inferno, basically Mongolian version, but a little bit different. He's one of the contestants who very popular with the girls. He's I think like 3 years or something. Yeah, and after the show, he became super famous now. Like
A lot of Mongolian people talking. Shinzo looks like a single Infernos and a basketball guy.
what's his name?
I don't know his name, but I know who you're talking
Yeah.
about. The one who
Yeah.
played like 3 girls.
Yeah, he played 3 girls and he
Shinzo
acts.
like
If I ever look at this other girl, will you still love me?
He was like, I think I'm the problem.
Yeah.
Like him.
Yeah.
So
Chingun.
Chingun.
He looks like a Kendall.
Kendall. Нөгөө Barbie дээр гардаг нөгөө male эрэгтэй Barbie эдэн штэ. Залуучуудын нэрийг нь Ken гэдэг байхгүй юу? Тэрэн шиг харагдчих гинэ. Тэгэхээр Chinzo амар perfect харагдчих юм байна. Okay. Okay, moving on to the next one, okay? His name is AMC.
Singer.
Yeah, he's a Mongolian famous singer and yeah, he has really good style.
He looks like G-Dragon.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
I see
Kind of
it.
like G-Dragon, I guess.
Okay.
So I mean, he's very popular with the girls and as a singer. So, which one?
I like his like eyebrows and like face shape. But Chingun. Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, moving on. Oh, this guy is very, very popular. Actually, probably the most popular person here. Highly respected, handsome as hell, very manly, very good man. You know, very loyal. But he's a rapper. His name is Rockabye.
Yeah.
Chingun.
He's also a rapper and a singer. He's also like in his mid-30s. He usually dresses in like suit, and yeah, very good singer. His name is Seryoja.
I think the people who do music, I need to hear like a snippet. You know what I
Okay.
mean? Like music later on.
His voice is so
Deep.
Дуун ямар хөө сонсогддгийг мэдмээр ингэнэ тэгж байгаа бас ингэ сонгомоор. Гэхдээ but
Close, but Chingun.
за арай ойрхон байна гэсэн. Гэхдээ чингэн дахиад яллаа. This guy is a singer. He sings very like emotional songs.
Like ballads.
Like ballads and like slow love songs too. I think, yeah, he's the recent upcoming artist.
feel like right here was giving like Timmy vibes.
아,
Right?
Timmy 씨 character 중에 Timmy인 저렇게 제일 낫지.
Yeah, wait, actually they kind of look alike.
Right?
A
But
little
Timmy's
bit.
handsome, you know.
Yeah. But 친근.
But 친구. Okay, 친구. So this is the next guy. 다라친 잘라놨는. So his name is Chingun.
Damn.
Yeah.
쟁공,
친구.
쟁공.
And Chingun.
친근.
Yeah, so he became super popular when he went on like Mongolia's Got Talent or something. He is a professional pole dancer.
Whoa.
Yeah, he got like extremely like very defined abs, six packs. Yeah, he has longer hair.
Can I see the first guy's pic again? Let me see if I'm like making it valid.
Okay,
You know
so
what I mean?
흔히 자료는 대하르겠네. 친구니 대하르. Okay, this one's first guy. All right, let's move on to this last guy again.
Still first guy.
Damn, 친구니였다. Okay, so here's the winner.
Yeah, he should have. The first guy should have been like somewhere at the middle or
Yeah,
something.
I didn't
yeah.
even know.
Yeah, I think the first guy is more like Korean vibes. Like the eyebrow shape is very like
Yeah.
Korean style.
Yeah.
Sort of like that mature, clean look. Not acting too harsh or like strong, but not too feminine either. So it's like a good balance of what like manly is. I feel like.
Yeah, if you're interested, I could give you his Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give you his Instagram.
So best.
Yeah, he's a cool guy.
Like it was a good shot, good hairstyle. I think hairstyles really like shape a guy's appearance.
Yeah.
So some of them who had like their hair tied or whatnot, like I personally don't like long hair, and I don't really like beards either. So like those ones was easy to. Yeah, those ones were like kind of easy. I kind of like the not too flower boy, but a little bit manly, like a mix.
Which is understandable, yeah.
Yeah.
Тэг ингээ асуудаа дахиад Монгол эрэгтэйчүүд ер нь ямар байна бодож байсан шиг ч юм байж чадав гэдэг.
So what she's asking is like, how are Mongolian guys? Is it like the way you imagined, or is it what's your impression now that you've seen?
I think generally I thought Mongolians would all have like very chiseled structures. Like for me, it's all like, you know, like squish, like, but then they're very like sharp jaw, big cheekbones, but like some of the people shown, they were a good mix. They weren't too strong. So that was a little bit surprising because I thought everyone would have like a similar facial structure. But I think it would have also been a bonus if like I saw the songs or like, you know, their performance or like what they did. And I think that would have changed some answers possibly.
Okay, for maybe round 2 later on, you know,
Yeah.
who knows? 비가 이게 친구니 인스타그램이나 아주 커서 되게 I think she's leaving happy, you know.
Yeah, give me his contact number.
친구, contact me if you see this. 자, 되게 다라친 vlog을 website. Until next time, see you guys. Bye-bye.
I'll be missing her. No matter how much time goes by, my love for her will never die.